my molded egg yolks are ready. Bright colors, delicious. How easy is it if you like to eat dessert? Hello everyone. Today we are going to make a dessert, and my dessert today is pinched egg yolks, Nham thong yip, made from duck eggs. You can also use chicken eggs mixed with them, but today I use pure duck eggs. The ingredients are duck eggs, sugar, pandan leaves, and salt. So without further ado, let's start cooking together. First, we have to boil our sugar syrup, my valued audience. We boil sugar syrup, and I use half a kilo of sugar. For the water, I use 600 milliliters. I add a piece of pandan leaf, and then I add a little more salt. We have to boil the sugar syrup first, my dear audience. Let our sugar syrup boil. My valued audiences, when it boils, we have to divide the sugar into two. We have to keep one part hot on the fire, and then we have to keep the other part in a bowl to cool it down so that we can make our pinched egg yolks. So while we wait for that, we come to crack the duck eggs together. My valued audiences, crack the duck eggs to make our pinched egg yolks. We crack our duck eggs carefully because we only take the yolks. We don't need the whites for this dessert, so we do it gently so that our yolks are not broken, my dear audiences. Now we have cracked the duck eggs, and we have to separate our duck eggs from the whites from the yolks. And for this dessert, we use only the yolks, my dear audiences. We take them out so that all the whites are removed, my valued audiences. Today, I use 12 duck eggs, my valued audience, and I make our pinched egg yolks with the duck eggs that we cracked. And valued audiences have to strain them again so that there is no white part of the duck egg left, my dear valued audiences. Dear viewers, we have come and we have pressed and pressed so that all the yolks are separated. We have strained, so we have strained a few times so that all the white part of the duck eggs can be seen, right? When we strain the duck eggs, we have to whisk the duck eggs again to get the yolks up first. Then we take them as our next step. We have already strained our duck eggs. Now it is time for us to whisk our duck eggs. If you have a machine, you can use the machine quickly, but I don't have it. That's it, we leave it for you, and we come to prepare, put it in our sugar syrup. Now we start to put in, and when you put it, you have to lower the heat a little bit so that the sugar syrup does not boil. When our sugar syrup boils, when we boil it, we don't make it clear. We leave it to cool, we dip it in at first, boil it, and dip it into our cold sugar syrup. Then my brothers and sisters see that my molded egg yolks are ready, bright colors, delicious. How easy is it if you like to eat dessert? You can also try to make your own at home, so don't forget to help, like, share, and comment on my video as much as possible.